Italy's interior minister attends the closing of what was once Europe's largest center for asylum seekers and migrants. Hong Kong Chief Executive Carrie Lam says a bill giving mainland China some control over Hong Kong's courts is dead. The U.S. State Department approves Taiwan's request to buy $2.2 billion worth of military equipment. China urges U.S. officials to cancel the deal. And Indonesia is sending over 50 containers of waste back to wealthy nations after finding it contained plastic and other materials.